from the quadratic equation. And we could quickly do this by using the discriminant, b squared minus 4 times ac. And when we look at quadratic equations, just remember it takes this format. So we're just plugging in. So b is going to be 10. So we have 10 squared minus 4 times a, which is 5, times c, which is 16. Now, when we multiply these together, we're going to get 100 minus 320, which is going to be negative 220. And when we have an answer like this, which is less than 0, that means we're not going to have any real solutions, meaning when we graph this quadratic equation, it will not touch or cross the x-axis. Please understand how these two concepts are linked together.